Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video I am going to share you another new great DeFi project named CDOG, COVID Dog. The website name is cdog.io. As you know guys, there are many scam projects that come into the market and they scam very fast without paying our investment back. So I just try to share you the great site COVID Dog. Here you will see the COVID dog photo, and when you open this site, simply you can go down. When you click go down, here you can check the pancake swap. Here you can join their telegram. Here you can join their Twitter. Here you can check the coin market capital. So simply clicking on this, it will take you to coin capital. Here you can check the coin gecko, and here you can check the BSC scan of this site. If you click this, I will show you how much balance it has. You can check there is 1 quadrillion CDOG COVID dog token, and there is address 1277, and transaction is 6216, and decimals digit is 18 decimals. So it's a very great site. If you want to invest, you can invest by simply going down. You can check the token. Here it's about the token. And why is this token? The idea of COVID dog was born from the days of Dogecoin, looking for the next opportunity for the team and its loyal community to set up and make a difference when it comes to charity function based cryptocurrencies. Loyal lists. All transactions of Doge COVID dog are taxed 2%. This allows us to redistribute 1% to the charity wallet and 1% to back to all holders. Just keep your token in your wallet and watch them accumulate, rewarding the most loyal in our community. So you can check all this here. Here your question and answer means your FAQ is answered correctly. What is COVID dog? As we touched upon the above, COVID dog was born straight out of the minds of Dogecoin devs. I already told you this. Was there a pre-sale? We had small private sale for our Telegram community. This had a cap of 35 BNB and sold out. On 7th May, we held a public pre-sale. This pre-sale had a hard capital of 250 BNB and sold out within the 30 minutes. Where I can get COVID dog? You can check the pancake swap link is here. You can simply swap your cryptocurrency to COVID dog to buy COVID dog. The contract address you can check all this here. And what are the tokenomics? The tokenomics you can check. Minted token is 1 quadrillion tokens, and burn token is, you can check here, 2,50,000 tokens is there, and the circulating supply is 7 quadrillion, and 2% of tax on every transaction, with 1% to charity and 1% to their holders. We had locked 200 BNB into liquidity on DX sale for 12 months. After the time of locking, it had a value over $2 lakh locked liquidity. So it's a very great opportunity to invest in this site. Tell me more about the charity aspect. Time to the good stuff. You can check the charity wallet from this, simply clicking, and I will show you the charity wallet of this site also. So this is their charity wallet, and it has 9.3 BNB total, and it's their charity wallet and address. You can check all this here. So yeah, it's a very great site. People are. And what is the roadmap of this site? Our roadmap is currently being worked on, but we aim to hit all the following within the next 7 days. So there are this KuCoin advert, Coin Hunt promotion, TikToker 1 million, Instagram 100K followers, BSC scan update, CoinGecko applications, Crypto Moonshots post on Reddit, Wise apps, TG groups, daily shield, Blockfolio application, website refresh, 1,000 holders, coin market capital, voice chat, AMA, meme competition, YouTube video, donation of $5,000 to a dog shelter. It's a dog shelter. Here you can check the COVID dog. Here token I already showed you, and the main thing, how you can buy this token. To simply buy this token, you will get at the first link here the pancake swap of this. Simply I will open it and I will show you how you can buy this token. So simply it will open like this. You can check the exchange token. Simply you have to click I understand button here and click continue, and simply then connect your wallet and select MetaMask or Trust wallet. You can select any wallet which you have. Simply I have MetaMask, so I selected MetaMask. Simply I will put my password here. Now simply click unlock button here. When you do this, you will get this, and you can check if I want to buy from 1BNB, how much CDOG will I get. This much of CDOG I will get. I will simply go to down, and you can simply swap button here, and you can swap BNB to CDOG. Here you can check the CoinGecko applications of this also. Here CoinGecko, and here you can check the coin market capital. All this on this also you can check. So site is very good. If you want to invest, you can invest. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, subscribe my channel.